Putting my new piston in, connecting rod, Harbor Frght, Predator 212. Couldn't find my piston ring installer tool, so I cut a piece of 3-inch vent pipe off a water heater, and I just held it together by hand, and I got all the rings down in there. Arrow points down. The 2 timing marks are lined up. I'm getting ready to put the head back on. It spins. I tightened it up. Didn't have an inch-pound torque wrench, but I tightened them up and it spins. Getting ready to put the head on. It's working. New connecting rod and piston, it's running. It started right up. I use the cylinder home. Put it all back together. I put the base on the bottom, but you see it's running. Harb Predator. Going up the next one. New piston, new run. New Gaskets. Testing the generator rebuild. Success to me. I'm going to put all the covers back on the knob, see if it makes it run.